Manifold's off. No good. No good. No good. No good. No good. And good. Exhaust manifold is off. Valve cover's off. Turbo's off. That turbo looked pretty bad. Probably gotta replace that. Not looking too good. Basically, all we gotta do, take the head bolts off, take the head off, and just go from there. Inspect everything else. That's, fingers crossed, it's good, but we'll see. Bolts off. About to put the plate in the middle. I'm about to pull this baby off, and then I'm gonna see what it's looking like. Hopefully it's good. Got it all off. Now time for disassembly. See all this build up? Number 2 is really a lot. Alright, this is everything taken out. We had to polish the crank a little bit. Still got a lot more to go. But as you can see right there, we got some cracks on the sleeve. Sadly, the motor's gonna have to sit for about a week until the guys can come out and repair it. So yeah, and to polish the crank, we are using the Silver Seal products. It works fantastic. Highly recommend that. Camshaft was no good, so I bought a brand new one straight from Detroit. And as you can see, the turbo is also no good from the previous clip, and I bought a bigger turbo, BorgWarner 1702. It's gonna spool a lot nicer and gain a little bit of power from it. But yeah, that's all we got for now. See y'all later. Everybody wondering what the pistons and rods look like. There they are. We're getting a new head, but don't gotta deal with that one, because sadly some of the valves dropped in it, and it cost about $13.75 for a to resurface it and redo this head. So I'm getting another one for $14.75, saving some money. So Alright, so as y'all can see, got the rockers on, got the valves adjusted, put the injector harness on. It's coming together. Got some new hoses in there. Just replace all the old stuff. Unfortunately, for the turbo that I had a Borg Warner 1702S, but the dealer that I got the turbo from, they sold me the non-wastegated turbo, and obviously that's not what I needed. So I had to get the Garrett OE replacement, which that sucks, but it is what it is. I don't know why they didn't have the other one in stock. They kind of lied to me, but what the hell can you do? Here's the old head. The valves in the old head were terrible. Those are bad. But yeah, I mean, just got some new battery. We got a battery tie down bar. Got some new connectors. We got some new couplers right here. And then here's the old turbo. As you can see, chewed up. And here are the old thermostats. For some reason the truck wasn't heating, so hopefully the new ones will allow it to. So yeah, I mean, it's coming together. We're almost there. Figured I'd just give you guys a little update. The head is new, as you can see. I will clean up a lot of it when I get home. You know, hit it with a pressure washer, and down the road we will need a new radiator. As you can see, it's a little, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's a little eaten up. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the update. I'll see you guys next time I start recording. The main caps look like in the motor. You can see how worn those are. I mean, those are pretty freaking worn. Look at that. It's ridiculous. And the last time this motor was rebuilt, I don't know if you guys can see, right there, you probably can't see that, but the date on there is 12, it's like 1209. So it was, the last time the motor in this truck was rebuilt was in 09. That's what the sleeves say. But obviously the last person that touched this truck did a horrendous job, and I'm here paying the price for it. So it is what it is. I'm just gonna continue on, and we're just gonna keep on going. Also, I didn't let you guys know, the old cam was terrible. It was scuffed up, and I bought a brand new one from Detroit. Looking nice. Valve covers on, intake's on, harness, it's coming together. The valve cover looks real good. Got new couplers, everything. Got the turbo on. Garrett turbo. Head looking all nice. Connected.